Hello guys, welcome back to Tech World channel. In this video we are going to look about variables in Java. Before going to video, click the subscribe button below. There are 4 primitive types of data in Java. Integer, for whole. Floating point, for decimal numbers. Character, for letters. Boolean for, true or false. Integer can be classified in byte, short, int and long. These things are vary with the size. Same as floating points are classified into float and double. Last video I used Notepad and CMD, but this time I'm going to use Eclipse IDE. There are many other IDEs available in internet. You can download Eclipse from link in description. When opening Eclipse, set up your workplace and launch. Go to File, New and click on Project. Wizard for new project will be open. Select Java project and click Next. Type project name, I'll type as variables. And click Next. Then click Finish. Now project is created. Click and restore the Package Explorer in left side. Then right click on SRC folder, go to New, then select Class. Give a class name. And finish. I'll close other tools and tab. Since it is a driver class, we have to insert main class. Public static void main. In Eclipse it is easy to insert main class rather than type whole code, just type main and press Ctrl plus space. It will suggest you main class, click it. Or else you insert it while creating class. Let's see how to insert it while creating class. There is checkbox to insert main class. Just click it. Okay, let's move on to the topic. How to declare variables. For byte integer, type byte and declare a variable name and put a semicolon. Same as for short integer, short for integer, int and for long integer, long. I'll put a single line command here by typing // Command R just to understand the code, it will not make any changes at program. Also we can add multi-line command, using a / and a asterisk, end of the command put a asterisk and a backslash. Let's see how to declare auth variables. For float and double same as itself. For char actor, char. For boolean, boolean. I'm going to print byte a. For system.out.println. Just type SYSO and, press Ctrl and space together. It will automatically gives whole code. Now press run button on toolbar. Error message is showing at line 22. It says local variable a, may not have been initialized. You can initialize variable after declaration. Or else initialize it while declaration. Also you can change the value of it after initialization. The new value 6 will be assigned to a. Assigning value to byte, short, and int are same but, the number assigned to it should be within its range. For long type uppercase of lowercase letter l, after number. Float and double can be assigned as decimal number or scientific number. For float you should insert letter FF after the number. For char actor type only one char actor between single quote. For boolean it should be true or false in lowercase letters. Let's print all assigned values. Plus is used as a concatenating operator. As I said earlier, byte, short, int, long, float, and double have different range. We'll see those ranges. Don't confuse with the code, I used class name of variable. For byte, first letter is uppercase. For int, integer. For char, character. If you don't understand this part, just look the ranges. Likewise, we'll try to get bit size of each variables. Here the result is. How to name a variable. Variable names begin with lowercase letters. Do not start with numbers or symbols except $. If the variable name contains more than one word, the starting letter of the second word is capital or they are combined using the underscore. The symbols like @ hash, asterisk, percentage, etc. are not included in the variable names. Do not leave spaces in between the words. Always use the meaningful names. There are three major types of variables. Local variables, class variables or static variable, instance variables. Local variables are declared in methods. These are created when the method is called, and it will be destroyed once it exits from that particular method. The local variables can only be used within the method in which it was created. The values should be assigned to the local variables before they are used. Access modifiers are not used for local variables. Class variable are global to a class and to all the instances of the class. That is, there is only one copy of the variable. Useful for communicating between different objects of the same class. The keyword static is used to declare the class variables. Can be accessed directly using the name of the class, without creating a separate object of the class. Instance variables are declared within the classes, but outside the methods. If we declare any instance variable in our Java program, and use them without initializing the compiler automatically assigns default values. These variables are used to store information needed by multiple methods in a single class. Access modifiers can be used for instance variables. If you like this video, put a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe.